Hello, dear Air Explorer. This is Arzu Celik.
Let's create an image about IkigAI with AI. The 10 rules of IkigAI. Stay active. Take it slow. Don't overeat. Surround yourself with good friends. Exercise daily. Smile. Reconnect with nature. Express gratitude. Live in the moment. Live your Ikigai. Now let's see how we can create these images for the first image. Open Midjourney. Right settings. Set to version 5. Now describe the title of Ikigai with your feelings as you wish. Secret prompt of first image is:
Now it's your turn. Let's create your exploration
and share with me.
Look forward to see all of it. I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.